Due to the coronavirus pandemic, jury trials were suspended in March 2020 when Jamaica recorded its first case. But that is set to change starting February 2021. Jury trials are to resume on a phased basis for the Home Circuit Court and some rural circuit courts of the Hillary term. Jurors can be assured that all COVID-19 guidelines outlined by the Ministry of Health and Wellness will be followed while they are in the precincts of the courts. With the exception of death penalty cases, jury trials will proceed at courts that can accommodate jurors with adequate space for physical distancing to prevent the spread of COVID-19. In the Kingston Home Circuit Court, jurors are not required to attend until February 12, 2021. In St. Catherine, if you were summoned for jury duty for the period January 7 to 22 or January 25 to February 12, you are not to attend until February 15, 2021, when jury trials are to resume. Jurors in Westmoreland, Portland, and Trelawney, who were summoned for the period February 8 to March 5, are to attend for duties as scheduled. If you are from the parish of St. James and you were summoned for the period January 7 to February 5, you are not required to attend until March 8, 2021. Jurors in the parishes of Hanover, St. Elizabeth, and St. Mary, who were summoned for the period March 8 to 26, are to attend for duties. In parishes where no jury trials will occur for the periods I just indicated, those cases that can proceed without a jury are going to proceed. Jurors summoned for court in parishes where there are no jury trials are not required to attend and are excused without any risks of penalties. There are also several other conditions you need to be mindful of where jury trials are concerned. No cases with more than 2 defendants jointly indicted for the offense will be heard. Trials with 3 or more defendants are to take place only if the judge is satisfied that trial can proceed without violating the health guidelines governing access to all courts of Jamaica. These guidelines cover factors such as the number of attorneys representing the Crown and defense, the number of witnesses, whether the defendants can be accommodated in the courtroom, whether the evidence is to be given orally, remotely, and/or by agreed statements of agreed facts, and any other factor which appears to the judge to be relevant. In order to accommodate jury trials, the judiciary will be using 2 courtrooms to hear a single matter. They will also be transferring matters that would usually be dealt with at the parish courts to outstations to facilitate physical distancing. If you want to know more, contact the Court Administration Division at 876-613-8800 or visit their website at www.cad.gov.jm.